how to redeem or how to use Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card or how you can use your Roblox gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. What you can do is you can simply head into your browser on any of your device, any browser that you want, and at the search bar you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. So you want to type in roblox.com/redeem and tap on go. There, now what you want to do is first you want to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in here. However, first make sure to log into your account that you want to redeem your code on. Once you're logged in, you can say it'll ask you to enter in the code. Simply enter in the code, tap on redeem, and it'll ask you for a pin and such, and you'll have to enter it. And then once you do so, you'll be able to redeem it. A success message will appear when you have successfully redeemed it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.